Hello. In this short video, I wanted to talk about some of the commands that are available on the Chocolatey GUI CLI executable for the purposes of tidying up some things within Chocolatey GUI. So what I want to illustrate is if I open up Chocolatey GUI, then within the settings screen, one of the, or two of the things that I can do is that I can purge the currently cached outdated packages and also to purge the icons that have been downloaded and stored within Chocolatey GUI. So if I run both of these, I'll be prompted to say, actually, do you actually want to do that? And then I can say yes. But if this is something that you wanted to do at the command line, then this is absolutely something that you can do. So if I run Chocolatey GUI CLI, I'll be prompted to say, well, run the help and find out what you can do. And one of the options here is purge. If I run help on the purge command, we'll see that there's a couple of options that I can run here, which is to run either with icons or outdated. So if I run purge icons, then that's the exact same operation as though I'd pushed that purge icons within Chocolatey GUI itself. And then if I run purge with outdated, then that's going to purge the outdated packages within Chocolatey GUI. So depending on what your workflows are, depending on the operations that you're performing at kind of a higher level configuration manager within Chocolatey GUI, then the command line usage of those commands may be very useful to you. So this was just a short video to illustrate those things in action. Thank you very much.